How to make a video collage with the InShot app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a video collage with the InShot app. So let's get started. First, open up your InShot. After you open it up, just select the pictures. Now, you'll need to import something, but you will see an option called blank. Tap on blank and tap on done. Now, here you will see a blank canvas. Now, after you've selected the blank canvas, what you'll need to do is select the canvas, tap on canvas again, and you'll see the background option. Now, select the color that you want as your background. I'll choose white and done. So here, now what you'll need to do is you'll need to import pictures, videos. If you want to import pictures and make a collage of pictures, that's all right too. Tap on plus, tap on video and photos, and there you will have your videos. Now select your videos. I'm gonna select these two or maybe three. Tap on done. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to overlay these pictures. So I'll do that. First, let me just set this aside and let me overlay this. So there is the switch option. There we go. Now for the another one. Now, as you can see, I have overlaid each and every one of these, and now there is a perfect collage. Now tap on done, and you can simply import this by tapping on the share icon on the top right and tapping on save. After you've done that, you've just made a video collage with InShot app. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.